Okay, so for 11.5, and I apologize, my glasses are reflecting this light. I'm trying to not flash the lights out of my eyes as much as I can. Um, this is going to be the first unit where we delve into states and provinces. Now, we're not going to use all of them, and in everyday life, except for election time, which is now, we really don't tend to talk about all of the states. So pick and choose these as they are useful. You're going to need to know Ohio and surrounding states. It's good to know New York, California, depending on what's in the news. These are the kinds of things that you will pick up over time as they become useful. Fingerspelling always is an easy answer if you don't know what the vocab is, and also you can usually fingerspell the abbreviation of the state, whether it's the 2-digit that we use as the federal code, or if it's 3-digit like some of the old ones, old abbreviations used to be. Oops. So again, we'll put all this in, and we're going to use the Canadian provinces too, because ASL is in both countries. So there. Although Canadian ASL is slightly different, but for the most part, it's kind of like they say A, right? So obviously, we've got a ton of vocab yet again. I can go on to the days of having only like 5 or 6. So I'm not going to go through all these. They're in the slideshow. I'm including they're in the videos in this chapter, and they also are. I'll add that separate video where there's me and 2 colleagues that we've recorded all of the vocab. So I'm going to include that too on Blackboard. But again, here's all 50 states, and then 10 provinces. So we go through. They're going to go through all of the vocab in this, and it's just easier and cleaner. You can go at your own pace and watch these. Here are the signs for the states. Alaska, think of a big anorak hood, right? Arizona, because it's dry. California. Now, this isn't all the states. They kind of gradually give us a few more each time. So California, California. It used to be California for gold because there's gold in them Nar Hills, right? So the gold rush, California. And now it's gotten to be the sort of I love you. So from I love you to call me what, to that. Call me that, California. So again, it's an example if you're interested in how signs drift in their production. So we've got signed states, signed provinces. Then the initials fingerspelled. Oh, this video needs to be... Okay. Okay. NH for New Hampshire. NJ for New Jersey. So again, using the 2 abbreviations. Excellent. Left the placeholder. There we go. First and last letters fingerspelled. Now, again, most of these seem to come from the old postal determination of FLA, Florida, West Virginia, WVA, West Virginia. And you can watch through all of these. Georgia. Illinois, because there are two L's, it just repeats. So, well, there's Alabama, ALA, Arkansas, ARK, Colorado. Most of the time you see Colorado. Sometimes you see Colorado or Colorado. Most of the people I know from Colorado sign Colorado for the mountains. Colo, because it's an easy abbreviation for the finger spelling. Now, they go through all of them finger spelled. And then, again, in classroom, I'd point to everybody. So go through the slide and just figure out what are the two. For so Alaska, like wearing the fur hoodie, right? Alaska, or Alaska, finger spelling. So always there's the option of finger spelling. Some of the long ones, Mississippi, I like finger spelling. That one's a fun one. That one's a good one to practice to get used to that moving back and forth. So we can go through every single one in here. Now, we're not going to worry about regions yet, like New England, Midwest. We can come up with signs like that, or not come up with, but we can teach those signs. But right now, what this is using is just what are the names of the states in each region. But why not? We've known north, south, east, and west, right? So we've got the west, southwest, midwest, mid-Atlantic, which really east. We tend to imagine the map in front of us and go like east and then show the area. Northeast, southwest area. Then New England. We can go through each of the different states in there. We just keep getting better and better. And I will put the video in here. I'm trying to see if I can manipulate it so I can get the video as large as possible. But circle the state that John or Ursula names. So she's going to go through and sign them. There are 9 different entries that you will look in the video. Write the state. They will mention a state, just write down. And there's some questions about it. Again, it's from the worksheet. I'm just putting them in here. They're all processing the videos I edited for this. And then back to new vocab. We've got all of this new vocab. Then this will be the video for 11.5 with everything that comes from the book in one video. Cool. And again, I've been posting those up to Blackboard. So if you want to do something else, like if you want to project it to your TV at home and it's easier to do it with the video itself, by all means, just download it from Blackboard or get it from your DVD. Unless you don't have a DVD player, and then you should have it free through the website, through Dawnsign Press. If not, I have it right there for you. So great. So that is 11.5. Oh, 5.